one of the little shops here selling stuff for the beach and for crabbing. Lee stores, picture postcards, buckets and spades. There's Bertie's Bay, a couple of lobster pots outside advertising the fish restaurant. There's a nice old motif there. Beckfield. This is a triangular house for sale. Jim Bell style. I know, triangular. You can hear the birds cheeping. Browns. Get yourself some homemade ice cream. The sign above the door says this is a small house with a big welcome. A little house it's called. Oh, how nice. Toy shop, gifts and puzzles. Tiny little toy shop there. The Smuggler's Wine Bar. Different local ales on offer here. Some seaside rock, guys. What's your flavour? Gin and tonic flavoured rock for the adults, or prosecco. And for the kids we got ice cream and bubble gum. And now we've come down right to the edge where the Bay Hotel is and the Old Coast Guard Station and Visitors Centre. You can smell the salt. Well, there's lots of people crabbing. How old are you, my dear? Somebody get him in. Whoa, it's packed down here on the beach. There we go, just show you a view along the front. Very nicely decorated sand castles. So it's a beautiful day here down on the beach, and today we're having ice cream instead of fresh seafood, just for a change. Just showing you the view, looking back towards the town. Oh no, the tide's turning. It's Brook Bond tea. Don't see much of it these days. Used to drink it in my youth. That pub's closed. We're just following the story of footprints through time. Each footprint is different. Made out of mosaic, tiny little stones. So you can see. We've just come round. Just showing you the cliff there. Hang on to your chips, it says. I know all too well about that after yesterday. The seagull dived. It's very ornate. Someone spent a lot of time creating that. Boats on the sea. There are fishers and men in their boats. And then the lobster pots. The corner here I just saw packing up literally last minute before they move. Bit silly really, and dangerous, especially with small children and babies. See guys, the tide's coming in now and pushing the water around the back of this sand island. Very soon those people are going to be cut off on the corner there. So as we said, we come up a little bit higher on the coastal path. You can see the sand there in the bottom of your picture. Almost cut off now, the water's run all the way around the back of it, where those people were a few minutes ago.